The human brain is one of the most complex structures in the known universe, comprising approximately 86 billion neurons that form intricate networks. These neurons communicate through synapses, transmitting information in the form of electrical impulses and neurotransmitters. Understanding how the brain works, particularly concerning consciousness, involves delving into both its structure and function. The brain is divided into several regions, each responsible for different functions. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as reasoning, emotions, and decision-making. It is divided into two hemispheres, which are further segmented into four lobes: the frontal lobe, involved in reasoning, planning, speech, movement, and emotions; the parietal lobe, which processes sensory information including touch, temperature, and pain; the occipital lobe, primarily responsible for visual processing; and the temporal lobe, involved in auditory processing and memory. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, coordinates voluntary movements, balance, and posture, while the brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord, controlling automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, and sleep cycles. Consciousness remains one of the most profound mysteries in neuroscience and can be described as the state of being aware of and able to think about one's own existence, thoughts, and surroundings. The study of consciousness investigates various states, including wakefulness, sleep, and altered states induced by substances or meditation. Neuroscientific perspectives on consciousness include the global workspace theory, proposed by neuroscientist Bernard Baars, which suggests that consciousness arises when information is made globally available across the brain's networks. It posits that unconscious processes compete for access to this global workspace, allowing conscious awareness to emerge. Integrated information theory, developed by neuroscientist Giulio Tononi, proposes that consciousness corresponds to the capacity of a system to integrate information, meaning the more interconnected and unified the information, the higher the level of consciousness. Higher order theories suggest that consciousness arises when the brain represents its own activity, meaning a thought becomes conscious when the brain has a higher order thought about that thought. Researchers seek to identify the neural correlates of consciousness, which are specific brain structures and activities associated with conscious experiences. Functional neuroimaging techniques, such as Fourier and PET scans, have enabled scientists to observe brain activity during conscious states. Studies have shown that certain areas of the brain, such as the prefrontal cortex, anterior cingulate cortex, and thalamus, play crucial roles in conscious awareness. For example, the thalamus acts as a relay station, processing sensory information and directing it to the appropriate cortical areas for further analysis. The brain's workings can change dramatically in altered states of consciousness, which can occur naturally, like during sleep, or through external influences, such as meditation, psychedelics, or trauma. During sleep, the brain undergoes various stages, including REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, associated with vivid dreaming and increased brain activity. Sleep is essential for cognitive functions, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation. Meditation practices promote relaxation and self-awareness, altering brain activity and indicating changes in the density of gray matter in areas associated with memory, sense of self, and emotional regulation. Psychedelics like psilocybin and LSD can temporarily alter consciousness, affecting perception, thought patterns, and emotions. Research suggests that these substances may promote interconnectedness among different brain regions, leading to a more profound sense of self-awareness and consciousness. Understanding how the brain works and the nature of consciousness has profound implications for various fields, including psychology, philosophy, and artificial intelligence. The quest to understand consciousness raises questions about free will, identity, and the nature of reality itself. Ongoing research continues to explore the intricacies of the human brain and consciousness, utilizing advanced technologies to unravel the complexities of neural processes. By studying brain function, scientists hope to uncover the underlying mechanisms of consciousness and its impact on human behavior and experience.